Hello, sir. I am Pujita. In first question, first we are importing the required libraries, then importing the sentiment dataset. Then for testing purpose, we are just printing first 5 rows. Then we are keeping only necessary columns, that is text and sentiment. Then printing the value counts, negative, neutral, and positive. And after that, we are removing the neutral data. Then after removing, we are again printing the values, positive and negative. Then we are training the data by only positive data. Then we are sending the train dot next. We are sending only negative data, and after that we are creating a word cloud function for printing the keywords in both positive and negative sentiment, then splitting the text into words. And after we are getting the words not starting with hash, and then we are getting the words not starting with hash. Then here we are printing the word plot for positive words, this one. And second one, we are printing the word cloud for negative words, this one. And after that we are lowering all the characters and removing the special characters, and then iterating over all rows from removing retweet. Then we are using tokenization, splitting the text into words and then fitting the text. And then finally we are converting text to sentences. Then we are padding, and we are passing input shape, and then adding the hidden layer and printing the output layer. And after that we are compiling. And here we are fitting the model, then splitting the data into train and test. And then again we are finding the accuracy and loss of the model. And finally we are saving the model and validating the data, and taking all TP, TF, FP and FN values, creating then we are creating a function for validating the tweet prediction accuracy, then predicting the tweet, then comparing to their original. Then finally we are printing positive tweet accuracy and negative tweet accuracy. And here we are converting the text to sentences, and finally we are printing the prediction. Next problem is explained by my friend Leela.
Right. In the second question, we are importing the required libraries like pandas, keras, and etc. After that, we are importing the data called spam.csv, and then we have printed the first 5 rows of the given data. After that, we are printing the value count of the given data set, and then we are training the positive spam data, and we are training the negative data contains the negative values, and then we are creating a word cloud plot for printing the keywords in the positive and the negative sentiments, and then we are splitting the text into words. From there, we are printing the word cloud plot for spam words. The output is shown below, and then we are printing the word cloud plot for ham works that was shown below. And then we are pre-processing the data to lower the all characters and removing the special characters. And for splitting the text in the tokens, we are doing the tokenization, and we have converted the text to sequences, and we have done the padding to the sequence. For this, we have created a model, and then we have passed some parameters like maximum features, etc., and adding one layer with LSTM, and we got an output layer here. After that, we have labeled an encoder, and then the data is fitted with the labeled encoder, and the data is split into train and test data set. And finally, we have printed the shape of train and test data. After that, we have validated the data, and then we have chosen the TP, TF, FP, FN values and created a function for validating the tweet prediction accuracy. And we have predicted the tweet by comparing the originals. Thank you.